Welcome back to the Daily Team. Today we're actually doing an unboxing. This box contains the channel's new camera, and I just want to say that this literally would not be possible if my buddy at Rowing didn't give me his Rebel T5. I mean, seriously, I almost cried when he gave it to me. Like, I was just so thankful. Like, seriously, Will, if you're watching this, thank you so much. Like, this, you are really making this channel a possibility, and you're really giving me a bigger opening for my future in YouTube, if, you know, that's the way I go with it. But, yeah, I just want to say that I'm very thankful, and this is sitting here in front of me because of you, and yeah, just thank you so much, and yeah, let's get right into it. You guys have no idea how long I have wanted one of these. There it is, the GoPro Hero 8. Just leave that over there. I am so stoked about this. It's just, seriously, this has been a dream of mine for so long, and now it's a reality. It's sitting right in front of me. Alright. So, this was actually $300 with the Pro membership. And it comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card. So that's pretty dope. So yeah, just gonna continue opening this. Hopefully, if the weather actually clears up, though, then I should be able to go to Rowing and actually test this bad boy out. So that would be pretty dope. I've never actually opened a GoPro box, so I don't really know how this works, but that seemed to work. So. Alright, so here it is. It's really small. I really like that. That was really the biggest reason that I actually switched from the Canon that Will gave me to a GoPro, is because it's just a lot more practical, and it's waterproof, of course, and it has stabilization. So I mean, it's really just so much more for the size of it. So this box here includes one of the mounts, which I literally never use. A USB-C charging cable, so that's actually really interesting, considering that GoPro has always used the regular Android charging cable. And then, of course, your battery. And it looks like a just an instruction booklet. But anyway, let's get into the real thing that we're here for. Oh yeah. It's so light. Oh my god. This camera's just, it's beautiful. Just the amount of design that went into this. I'm trying to get this protective screen off. There you go. Alright. So, yeah. This seems to, have a little locking on it, but I don't know how that works. But anyway, so there it is. The, little GoPro. I'm gonna put the, battery in real quick. Oh, that is solid. It just feels so solid. So I did actually order screen protectors for this so that the lens and the actual screen itself stays, you know, in fair condition. Oh yeah, I'm actually going to put the SD card in it first. If I can even get it open, oh my god. Does not look like it. Dude, this SD card is wrapped more securely than the GoPro itself. There we go. Alright, here's the SD card. So I'm going to put this in. Now the battery. That is snug. Alright. There it is, it just turned on. Oh my god. This is so amazing. It's just so small. Like, seriously, this thing weighs less than my Hero 3. It's really interesting to actually see how these things work. Yeah, this is just setting it up, basically. Yeah, this is all really cool. It's just like, I mean, seriously, this thing is practically a smartphone at this point. It has so many features. I'm really hyped though for the what's it called? I have to refer to the box for this. My brain is dying right now. Oh yeah, the time warps. The time warps, I think, are gonna be so cool for rowing, because I'm gonna be able to do literally just like fast travel while I'm in the boat, and it's gonna be centered, and it's gonna look so good. Like, seriously, the quality for this channel is gonna be ridiculous now. I mean, it's gonna be so great. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. This thing actually needs to be charged. So yeah, there's the screen actually, for all of you who didn't see. So right now it's actually in camera mode. That's photos. That is a timed picture, and back to video. So yeah, I mean, overall this thing is just like, it's so sick. I mean, those are the little clips. For the most part, they actually feel like they're pretty well put in there. I mean, like, yeah, I mean, unless if you like over squeeze them like this, I mean, they feel pretty solid. Like, this is a pretty sturdy camera. It feels like it was built really well. I mean, you know, obviously I gotta get the screen protectors, and yeah, so that's gonna wrap this unboxing up, and then hopefully if the rain stops, then I will bring you guys to rowing on the Hero 8, and it's gonna be absolutely sick. So yeah. Alright guys, so obviously rowing is canceled because just, you know, look at this weather. So since I'm on the Hero 8, I'm actually going to do a time warp to show you guys what that looks like, and I've actually already done a short clip with it, and it looks absolutely sick. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, have a good one. Peace out.